Hello everyone. Sit back and prepare to enjoy the opening keynote to this year's DevFest Montreal.
All right, thanks everyone. Thanks everyone who actually just braved the STM strike and joined us today. And then we'll just get going with a word from our fearless leader. And let's see how it goes.
Hi everyone, welcome to DevFest. We're so glad you're here. AI progress is happening at warp speed, and we are starting to see its benefits for people, businesses, and science. It's this generation of developers that will crack open our most important problems. That's why we are working to put our latest breakthroughs, including our Gemini and Gemma models, directly in your hands. The opportunity space for developers is also expanding, freeing up more time to create, problem solve, and have fun. For example, vibe coding represents a new phase for building things into existence. I've been messing around with it, trying to build a custom web page with all the sources I want in one place, and I'm getting there. All to say it's an exciting time, and I can't wait to see what we will build together. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy the rest of DevFest.
Welcome to DevFest. Super excited to have you all here. And isn't it a super cool opportunity and a moment to be a developer? What's possible for you to build and how ambitious you can be as a developer is increasing something like 10 to 100x over what it was a couple of years ago. And I've been spending a ton of time living this more ambitious problem-solving space in AI Studio, where I'm literally able to go now from a single prompt to a working AI app in probably 90 seconds.
Today, we finally have the tools to build what was once considered science fiction. AI isn't just a concept. It's a practical tool ready to augment your abilities as a developer, not just for creating apps, but also to maintain them over time and to keep them secure. This means less time managing infrastructure and more time focused on what you do best, building innovative applications that can reach hundreds of millions of users.
But it goes beyond the AI-human collaboration loop. There's this special magic when you come together and you're hacking with a bunch of your friends or a bunch of people that you're meeting who are also excited about this moment as you are. And my push for you all is what was possible 6 months ago is very different than what's possible today. So be as ambitious as you can possibly be.
All of these tools are designed to be responsible, safe, secure, and scalable, giving you the confidence to build and to innovate. The power to create the next generation of intelligent applications is in your hands. We can't wait to see what you build today. Let the DevFest begin.
All right, and with this, welcome to DevFest Montreal 2025, everyone. Cool. All right, I'll look at my slides here just to make sure I don't mess up everything. I'm your host for today. I've used Nano Banana to 90s grunge myself. Just FYI, so Stacy Véronneau, I work for TELUS Digital, also a division called Battle. Started in the mid-'80s, my tech career. 1995, really starting playing in the professional tech game. 2007, just really unlocked the cloud and went from there. And my current mission, beside being one of the co-organizers of GDG Cloud Montreal, if you're not part of our chapter, I invite you to join. And I'm also that's kind of a giveaway, big addict of Gen AI. And I'm not looking back. I had way too much fun promote the event online with VO and Flow and Gemini. So I'll be your host today. If there's anything, feel free to reach out. But it's not just me, of course. But before we go to the entire people that are also on the screen and the loops, you'll see them during the day. DevFest on its own is for, and actually, forget this one. Raise your hand if it's the first time at a DevFest in Montreal. Whoa, okay, cool, awesome, thank you. So basically DevFest is a big tech gathering of enthusiasts alike. We can cover web, we can cover cloud, we can cover Android. Of course, we'll cover some AI, more developer stuff like Flutter, and all that. So it covers all of this, but it's just really like a day to actually exchange together and eat at the same time. So always good, but a great place to meet people. And this is what the space is about. Like, really want you during the day to, I know there's session, but also take the time, take a break. Coffee and everything will be there throughout the day. There is session here. All that will go through the rooms, but take the time, enjoy the flow of the room, the people, try to network. But that's what DevFest actually like really about. So you can skip that one too. So in regards to Google developer groups, there are many across the globe, as you can see. But if we zoom in on the province of Quebec, you'll see all the chapters that you have here. You have like GDG Montreal, Cloud, the Women Tech Maker, Flutter, all the way through even like Abitibi-Témiscamingue, which couldn't like join us today, but still, I mean, there are chapters in university. You'll see them as GDG on campus. So McGill, Université de Montréal, Concordia. There's also Université de Sherbrooke. So if you are around those areas and you're wondering, is there something happening, just join their chapter and you'll see what's going on. So all of this, we say it takes a village. But it's also start with, I've mentioned the community. So the main 4 community who made this happen is our GDG Montreal, GDG Cloud Montreal, Women Tech Maker, and also Flutter Montreal. But behind that, there's like people. So those are your organizers for DevFest Montreal. I would love if you could just like give them a round of applause for your organizers, please. Thank you. And like I said, it takes a village, so it also needs all of our staff. So again, give them a big round of applause. All of those people made this happen. It took a while, but yeah, you can do that on your own. So I'm really super happy to have everybody here helping us. So we have a few sponsors. Always need money, right? Somebody needs to pay for the food or something. So we have platinum sponsors. The first one is Google for Developers. So we are in Axe C, which is where Google is part of the builders. There's Bell, there's other companies also there. But they actually allow us to use the space. So that's a great gift, and the food. So that's their contribution, but also, we also have like a, let's say, corporate platinum sponsor in Strata Prime. So thanks to the guy, everybody at Strata Prime. They have a booth in the back between the ghosts, basically, the white guy. So feel free to have a booth, and they can show you what they're doing on the workspace and Google Cloud side. So not too pitchy. They're just going to show you what they're doing. Don't worry. There's no sales pitch here. If there's one, let me know. We'll get them out. Gold sponsors. We didn't get any. So maybe next year. I don't know. So silver. Well, for silver, we have ServiceNow. So thank you for that. We also have like a speaker from ServiceNow, and also Transit. So thank you for your sponsorship for this year. And we have bronze sponsors. We have Battle, JetBrains, Codeco, and Packet. So thank you to all of those sponsors. Provided either money, books, other things. We also have a community sponsor in our photograph that's taking me in picture like right now. Mathieu, thank you for your effort. He's gonna be there throughout the day. If you wanna have your headshots, whatever, he's gonna, you know, not your headshot, like maybe headshots, because if you want to head, that didn't sound right. So Mathieu's going to be there. He's just like roaming around, but if you want to have like a pro shot, something, white background, whatever, or Halloween, feel free. He's there all day. Yeah, if you want to have your headshot, well, yeah, not here. All right, important stuff, code of conduct. I'll let you read, but basically, make sure that everybody feels safe here. It's a safe space. Don't want any like based on, you know, gender, discrimination, disability, like keep that. We don't want that here. So if there's anything against this during the day, come see one of the organizers. We have the yellow lanyards, so just come and reach out, and we'll take care of it. The other more important thing is like the Wi-Fi. So there's stickers everywhere. So, but this is the. It's also I think in the back of your bag, maybe or not. I'm not sure. Yeah, okay. Well, it's in the wall then. It's on the wall. So it's espace accès and with the password that you see here. But it's also like running on the screen, like right now, on the big screen. So those are going to be running all day. Photography, I just mentioned it. So yeah, we'll also, well, Matthew is taking a picture throughout the day, but also we have a photo album. Well, you have the link later coming, where you can actually just put your photos there. And at the end of the day, we'll have Gemini help us pick up the best costume. So we'll have a prize at the end. So photo album, like I said, just put it there. For any prizes throughout the day, you have to be here to win it. So if somebody didn't RSVP, didn't register, didn't check in, then we'll remove the name from the list. So yeah, so we have some prizes throughout the day. So we have a raffle during lunchtime for JetBrains licenses and Codeco digital books. Sorry, packet books. Sorry, we didn't get them, so we can't. There's like Amazon failed us on this one. But if you are interested in those licenses and books, because we know it's not for everybody. Not everybody likes Flutter or needs JetBrains. So if you want to be part of the raffle, scan the QR code, fill in what you want. You can skip the packet stuff because we don't have them. So just fill like the first two, submit, and then we'll pick from that list when we do the raffle later during lunchtime. So at the end of the day, so make sure that people stay until the end. We have other gifts at the end of the day. So we have our developer comfort kit, sponsored by Strata Prime. So you have like a good kit of mouse, bag, and everything. We'll have the Pixelbud 2A. We have a pair of Anchor power banks, and also a Nest Hub to give away. So we'll just raffle through everybody that was here today, and then if you're lucky, you'll get one of those. And then we'll go to the agenda. It's pretty straightforward. It is printed, and it's going to be rolling on the screen all day. So basically, we're at the keynote. We're at 10, we're starting the talks and demos. VIP demos are starting at 11. Career coaching starts also at 11. And the talks will pick up at 1, and then we'll wrap up everything with the closing keynote, raffles, and networking from 5 to 6:30. So we have the space until then, so we want people to stay and network. So if you need the agenda schedule, you can scan the QR code. Again, it's going to run on the screens a bit everywhere, so feel free to use that. So I'm not going to go through it's just to call out the rooms. The atrium is, well, this one. So this is the room. The tech track, everybody, well, most of the people came up from the 4th floor. So on the 4th floor, there's signage to bring you to the tech track. So basically, when you got out of the elevator, it's left, then left again. There's signage anyway, then straight to the end. There's the room for 120, roughly. So there is space there for all the talks during the day. The workshop hub, it's right on my left. It's the room with the tables called Centec. This is where all the workshops are going to happen throughout the day. There's, it's not full, so you may be able to walk in. So if you didn't RSVP for those. VIP demos, those limited sessions. So we did add a change of speaker. There are 2 sessions that are already full, the one at 11, the one at 3. We did replace one speaker with a session at 1:30 with Etienne. So this one is just like a walk-in. The VIP demo rooms in the back, there is like an inflated patch of pumpkins. That's basically where the VIP demo room is. And on each side of that room, left and right, this is where the career coaching will mostly happen. So for those of you who are doing career coaching, basically, let's meet at the pumpkin patch because there's 4 coach and 2 rooms, so we have to fight. So, but all the coaching session will happen, but it's just like we'll just need to do a bit of logistic because there was a lot of requests for career coaching. So this is all your speakers for today. So a lot of people. So thanks again for everybody, all the speakers submitted. It's super nice, great turnout, and really looking forward to hear all of those talks. And I don't know if he's here. Is he here? Yeah, he's up there. Kevin Blanco. I didn't see you, but it's your birthday today, so happy birthday, Kevin. All right. And I'm going to do a surprise swag drop. That's crazy. All All right, it's the Google Fan Starter Pack. So, so you have like socks. This is getting cold, so you have socks. You have a water bottle. Then you have like your Google backpack and also like a Google toque. In one bag. But to get this, like right now, that's the question. And the first one who actually stands up and say it actually and has the right answer can actually, and who's not part of staff or organizers, because I told them before, please, so what part of the Montreal financial institution used to be on this exact floor? Stock Exchange, we're in. So, what's your name? Derek? Derek? All right, well, Derek. Derek? Just get up there. We'll that was fast, so I will give it up for Derek. Watch out. Congrats. Here's your starter pack, so let's take a picture. All right, that was quick. Cool. Yeah, so we are, and to be even more precise, we are on the trading floor. So cool. All right. So and just mentioned that trading floor of the stock exchange. So with this and with time to spare. Usually I'm on stage, I just like keep on blah, 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 blah. But you have time. So we're going to be starting the session like within 10 minutes. If you still want some breakfast, there are still some available. If you're on, your first talk is on the tech track, 4th floor, just go back through the red stairs. At the end, you'll have signage. Workshop hub is there. VIP demos and coaching rooms are in the back with the pumpkin patch. And of course, the atrium is here, starting at 10. So enjoy your day, everyone. And I'll see you back at lunch here for just some food and another set of raffles.